Hi, good morning. My name is Prince Michael. I just want to share a brief tutorial on how I was able to resolve the issue with my EC2 not being able to know my issue with my EC2. I wasn't able to resolve view my WAMP site that I set up in Windows Server of EC2, right? So I tried loading it using the IP address, the elastic IP address, but the site couldn't be seen. So what I simply did was check my old uh, server that I set up in 2017, and I realized that there are two additional inbound rules that I did not set. Right now, as you can see, we are at the security groups, currently at the inbound rules tab. So if, for example, you have set up your WAMP server and your EC2 account and you try to access your site on the web, right, on the browser using your elastic IP or your public IP, and you cannot, simply come to your security group, come to the inbound rules, and then look at the edit inbound rules button, right? And you will see this page. You will see this page. And once you're on this page, usually it comes 3 or 2, right? But even if it comes 1 or 2, make sure you add this additional 2. Then the other 2 that will make your site to show on the browser will be something like this. Click on Add Rules to show you this. Now select HTTP again. HTTP, right? Then here select this :/0, right? Then do the same, but instead of HTTP now it will be HTTPS. Now come again, HTTPS, right? Select it, and then do something again. Come here, select :/0, and that will be it. Now save your. I'm not going to save mine because I've already set it up and it's working. So I have to use this page to do the demonstration. Now save your rules, then go back to your browser, launch your public IP or your elastic IP, and boom, your site will be up and running. I hope this little tutorial will help someone. Okay, forgive me, I can't show all of my details because this is my live EC2 instance server, so I can't reveal my public details. Okay, but if you're having this issue, just know that these 2 additions will show your site, and if these 2 are not there, or if any of these 3 are not there, just add them. Just add them. All you need to do is just to add this one. All you need to do is come here, select the same HTTP, and then here you just choose this, and that'll be it. You do the same for this. But if you are okay, sorry, I forgot to add. You have to also add the port number. If HTTPS is not showing, you should do the same, and then you add 443. If your RDP, because you need your RDP to be able to access your Windows from your, you need to be able to access your server from your Windows, right? And this is a remote desktop protocol, so we're able to access it. So make sure your configurations are correct like this, and you'll be able to go. Thank you. Remember, bless. If this video has helped you, please kindly subscribe. So as we add more tutorials, I face a lot of issues as I work, and going forward, I'll be sharing some tips that I use to resolve my issues, right? Okay, thank you.